Hey Kayos! Welcome back to another video at KSTYLEYO. My name is Inyoung. Today you're gonna learn 5 different similar words in Korean. 약, 대략, 한, 정도, 쯤. If you're new to this channel and wanna learn Korean language and culture, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. So today we're gonna talk about 5 similar Korean words. 약, 대략, 한, 정도, 쯤. All the words have similar meanings. In English, you may interpret them into approximately, about, around, or so. First of all, I want to talk about how you can use this in a sentence structure. 약, 대략, 한. These 3 words are used before numbers. 정도, 쯤. These 2 words are used after numbers. That being said, first 3 words are associated to English words approximately, around, about. The ones that come after the number are associated to English word or so. Please note that you can choose to use one word before number, or you may choose to use one word after number, or you may use a combination of the one word before the number or one word after the number. But for the combination, you may combine any words that you like. So let's get right into the examples just to clarify. Let's go! How fast can you make a snowman with the snow?
I can make a snow angel.
Okay. Okay, how long did it take?
Holy shit, it really looks like an angel.
How long did it take?
About 18 seconds.
About 18 seconds. 약 18초. 왜?
Sorry. Do I boil the sausages in the plastic?
It's not sausage. It's sundae.
The sundae.
약 18초쯤. I don't know why he chose that particular number, 18. But normally Korean people try to avoid that number because it sounds like Korean slang. 약 18초쯤. In this case, I used 약 before the number, and after number I used 쯤. You could choose to use the one before the number or the one after the number, or any kind of combination like I mentioned. If I want to add a verb here, I'm gonna use 걸렸어. It took. 약 18초쯤 걸렸어. It took about 18 seconds. In casual speech. How many snow boulders do you think there are in this park?
About 11 or 12.
Okay. Sorry guys, I cannot find the recording that I made for this section, so I have decided to just record my voice only. About 11 or 12. 대략 11개나 12개 정도. 대략, about. 열한 is from 열하나, which is 11 in Korean number system. 개 here, this is counting unit for regular object. 나, or. 12, this is from 열둘, 12, in Korean system. 개, counting unit again. 정도, also. So 열하나, 열둘, they become 열한 and 열두 before counting unit. If I want to add a verb here, 있어, exist. You can interpret it as they are. They're about 11 or 12. 대략 11개나 12개 정도 있어. 어디가?
Your gift. My gift to you.
오빠! How long you been sleeping here?
About 3 days.
About 3 days. 한 3일. As you noticed, I dragged the sound. Normally, Korean people are thinking when they're saying about. So you're gonna drag the sound 한 3일. But don't get confused that 한 here, this is not one. It's not used with any counting unit next to it. 3, 3 in Chinese number system. It's used with 일, which is day. If I want to add a verb, I'm gonna use 잤어. This is from a verb 자다, to sleep. So 잤어 in the past tense. I slept about 3 days. 한 3일 잤어. So here's your homework today. 숙제 time. First one, I will study Korean for about 30 minutes. And second one, there are around 4 dogs here. Hopefully this video was useful to you. If it was, make sure to smash the like. Feel free to make your own examples, and if you have any questions, leave them comment down below, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye!